Hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back. And old man got a lot of choices here, but I tell you what, haven't cooked on the Camp Chef Pursuit in a long time. So this is the heavily modified Camp Chef Pursuit. Camp Chef is selling this as a portable pellet grill. I bought it and kind of turned it into a small pellet grill, more or less for the home. So you're saying, what did you do? Well, that side shelf is that's extra, and I put a stack on it because I believe a pellet grill should have a stack. And then that pellet hopper extension, oh yeah, more than doubled the size of the pellet storage. So this is really kind of a cool pellet grill because it maintains the same box type design, the bread box they were calling it, which gives you more room inside, which in turn gives you 2 full racks inside. So there's a lot of capacity on this little pellet grill. But I tell you what, today we're just gonna do some smaller stuff on it. And I tell you what, if you read the description, you're going, hang on, city chicken? What is city chicken? Tell you what, go take a look while I get this fired up. All right, so there's our mock chicken in there. I honestly don't know why they call it mock chicken. It goes back a long time. City chicken was another word for it, but there's no chicken in it. It's a lot of times it's pork and veal and seasoning. One of my local grocery store chains here in the southern part of Wisconsin, they're called Sendex, and they make their own. And it's not that often I have a craving for it. It's a couple times a year. And on Sunday I was at Sendex and I walked past them and I said, yeah, those would be some great sandwiches with onion rolls. Oh man, and two sausage stuffed mushrooms. Good eating right there, folks. So I tell you what, let's take them over and get them on the Camp Chef. All right, folks, got the mock chicken on there with those mushrooms. And if you're wondering if this pellet grill can smoke, yeah, they all do, and this one does too. Got it set at 225, and you can see she's 215, but like I said, it's not PID. They call it smart smoke technology, and it just goes up and down and gives you some smoke. Take a look on the inside here. I took the top shelf off, so you gotta remember there's actually 2 shelves in here, and there it is. So we're gonna, you know, like I said, that side shelf came from another Camp Chef grill that I had, that I took it off and put it on there. That's a nice addition. This pellet hopper, taking it from 10 pounds to over 20, like I said, about 25-pound hopper extension. That worked real nice. If you want to know how to do that, Tom Horseman at YouTube. And then the stack, that's actually a Camp Chef stack, I believe, if I remember right, that I kind of blocked off all the vents except for this far one right here. I found that it needed to breathe a little bit more. So you know, I've got it coming out of there. Like I said, nice little pellet grill. If you're looking for something that's in the medium range, a lot of people don't need the real big, real big ones like the Woodwind, or like the Pellet Pro. There, those are big pellet grills. Some people like, and then there's the small ones, and some people say, well, the small one's too small, and this one's just in the middle. So I don't think I can go wrong with that. So I'll tell you what, let's give you a couple more look-sees, and then we're gonna make some mock chicken sandwiches. Oh man, I'm getting hungry for that, with pickles and ketchup. Oh, it's gonna be phenomenal, folks. Just stay tuned for that. All right, folks, about 45 minutes into it, you can see we're still smoking. Temp right there, 212. I do have a side mounted one here that says it's closer to that 225 mark. Let's take a quick look here. Got our mock chicken on the Camp Chef. Oh yeah, getting a little smoke on there. 165 internal, I think I said that already. But we're gonna probably turn this up a little bit because I'm starting to get hungry, and give you a look-see once it's finished. Stay tuned for that. Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, I'll give you a look-see once it's finished. Maybe there'll be one more look before we show you when it's finished. Boy, make up your mind, eh? Oh man. I'll tell you what, there's our city chicken. I'll tell you what, nicely done. I've got these rolls right here. I took a bite already out of one of them. I got a little ketchup and pickles on there. I'll tell you, it is awesome, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Hey, folks, you want to take a look at a smoke ring? Look at that. Got a little bit of a smoke ring going on there. There's some smoky taste, and it's really good.